in Scarborough, it should not be happening, no? And can you just elaborate on the point na why it should not? And second question, sir, kung halimbawa na yung contingent natin next week experiences the same level of harassment that China is giving to maybe the Coast Guard, I'm talking about the water cannon. Pag water cannon yung contingent, sir, hindi naman sana.
You know, Chinese and Vietnamese fishermen. Now, the territorial sea is measured from the low water line. And there are only a few rocks that are above water at the low tide. So you measure the 12 nautical miles. Actually, the lagoon is not an internal lagoon.
West Philippine Sea, atin ito! West Philippine Sea, atin ito! West Philippine Sea, atin ito!
Kasi open man lang to, pipinturahan pa po to ng mga mensahe na nakalagay, WBS, atin ito. Ilalagay po yan, ililigid po yan sa mga payaw ng ating mga fisher folk. Dire. Radyo. West Philippine Sea, atin ito! Atin ito! West Philippine Sea, atin ito!
Zone, and there is freedom of navigation in the exclusive economic zone. So nobody can drive us away in our own exclusive economic zone. So I completely support this endeavor by ating. Thank you.
Place a symbolic marker o mga boya doon sa ating EEZ kung saan nakasulat ang katagang West Philippine Sea, atin ito. Yun po makikita nyo dito sa baba, siguro yung para lang prototype, ano yung makikita natin. Kasi syempre gusto natin ilagay yung marker na yan, nakasulat West Philippine Sea, atin ito, nakatapat sa mga Chinese vessels.